Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a Nissan Versa 2015 with a bumper dent on plastic. Now, as you all know, Paintless Dent Repair is on metal. It's not usually on plastic. And this is something I'm gonna do for basically a favor. It's a nice car for a nice guy, and what I want to do is keep him out of the body shop. Sorry about the background noise. We are out here in nature and we don't have the microphone on. And obviously what you see what I'm doing here is I'm getting it really hot. You see that there's moved panel, getting it nice and warm right through this center area. And I'm gonna do the manual thing. I'm just gonna reach in there with my hands, guys. Let's see if I can find a little spot. And I'm gonna follow it from the bottom, come up to this. Oh, it's a tough reach. I might need my tool. Grab my tool a little bit, and there, a little bit more. Go a little higher. See if we can pop that bumper out a little bit more. Now let's get way high up there. Yeah, that's me hitting the muffler, and you can see making some pushes through that plastic. Oh, now.
You are awesome, man.
Awesome.
That came to me.
That was the customer saying, I am awesome, man. And so, guys, this is obviously not 100% fixed, and I can hit it up with my Perfect It and clean some of this stuff up. Let's see if we can actually pop those things back into place. Customer's ecstatic.
Really?
And I'm liking the way this came out. And so something that I call pretty much a band-aid, a quick fix. I'm definitely sure that for what we charged and what we did, the customer is going to be really happy with the result. And if you guys liked watching this little bumper popper, hit me up with a like. We sure love seeing the community grow. We always answer our comments. Please keep them positive. And I want to buff these little scuffs out and call it good. Other than that, I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.